K.C.S.E paper 1, 2006, question number 9. A line with gradient of -3 passes through the points 3k and k8. Find the value of k and hence express the equation in the form ax plus by is equals to c, where a, b, and c are constants. So let's begin. So given the gradient is -3 and the line passes through these 2 points. So the first thing to do is to write down how do we get the gradient. Gradient, which is m, is obtained by formula. It's obtained by change in y divided by change in x. So in this case, we have these two obtained by change in y divided by change in x. So in this case, we have these 2 points, 3k, and we have k8. So we can write this one. So this is our x, this is y. This is x, this is y, coordinate. So in obtaining this gradient and getting the change in y will be given, having these 2 points, change in y will be given by 8 minus k divided by change in x, which is k minus 3. And this one should give us -3. So now we need to solve this and get a k. So to solve this, you can just put this one as over 1, and then you cross multiply. So -3 multiplied by k minus 3, then 1 times 8 minus k. So this gives -3k, and you open the brackets, plus 9 is equals to 8 minus k. So this gives, bring the k's together, -3k plus k should give, take plus 9 to the other side, 8 minus 9. So this gives -2k is equals to -1, and therefore k will be given by 1/2. So that is the value of k. Now the next thing we need to get is now the equation. Now to get the equation, we need to get the equation of the line in that form, in the form ax plus by is equals to c. So to get the equation, you're going to get 1 point given here. You can take this 3k, and you've got the k to be 1/2. And you introduce another point, you call that point xy. And since we know the gradient is -3, we can get the equation using these 2 points. So change in y, so y minus 1/2 divided by change in x minus 3 should give the gradient, which is -3. Again, for us to get the equation here, you can cross multiply, so you can put that on over 1. So -3 multiplied by x minus 3 is equals to y minus 1/2 multiplied by 1. So this gives -3x plus 9 is equals to y minus 1/2. So we need to reorganize this equation so that we put it in this form, and we're going to get that on by, we can bring this onto this side. So this will give -3x, bring y to this side, minus y, then you take plus 9 to the other side, so you get -1/2 minus 9. So this gives negative 3x negative y is equals to negative 9.5. Now we can divide all through by this negative to get rid of that negative. Dividing everything by negative, we get 3x plus y is equals to 9.5. And that equation is in that form, that is required. Ax plus by is equals to c. So that is how we're supposed to work out that question.